WOLF stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Wolfspeed stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick short 1-minute video. Wolfspeed's already melted. Actually, it's going up. It's like 7% up or whatever. Even if I pop up here, this is just a bearish market. And what I'll do here, just mark up my bottom point and tell you that this is not a bullish market for me. Like, where the heck are my drawings? Let me just show. Yeah, there you go. I was about to say, I remember I was bearish since $10, right? And since then, I've been freaking correct and this thing kept melting. Here's the proof, you know, you might think that I'm just yapping about this, but bro, no.
Like he's the
Right, there you go. This was made like 8 months ago, 10th of December.
it's forever, you know, it's just for now and not forever.
$10, and then now it's 140. I said if I see a double break looking to take it down, I already saw the first break. Now if there is a second one, you bet you know where to find me. Obviously, this is only for now and not forever. If you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.